guy. He is cool. He's hanging on this. And there's also this butterfly here. He's pretty cool. Yeah. I don't know. Look at this thing, man. This thing is terrifying. Look at this. Look at that dude. A tree with a face. But there's nothing worse. This is as scary as it gets. I think you would move there for a second. Buddy, flap your ears or something for me, will ya? I want to get like a quick video. Something cool to show all my friends. Cool. Your next. Hey, this is really cool. It's not animatronic, but it looks cool. And it promotes rescuing the rainforest, so.